Folks, MACT here, and we have this Tanbaby LED light, and it screws into the light bulb, and basically it's 3 LED adjustable paddles. Apparently they have a radar version is what they call it. I guess it's a sensor, so it turns on when you come in and is a motion sensor. Different voltages, I guess 110 and then 220 for foreign use, so they got them checked. And then they got the color versions, which is 3000 to 3500K, and then 4000 to 4500K, and then they have the 6000 to 6500K, which is what I have. So other information on this light is, I guess, made in China, so it is a Chinese product. They give you a warranty on it, and it says here 6,000 lumens. So I have a light meter, so we're going to measure the lumens once we're done and compare what I have right now. So let me show you what I currently have as light in my garage, and we're going to see what this is going to do with the lumens as far as light and areas that are dark and everything else. So let me show you what I have, and I'm going to turn off all the lights once I get this installed, and we're going to measure it again to see what it does by itself. So I'm going to take and turn off my other LED lights and just leave the one LED light bulb on and measure what that is, and then plug this in and then go ahead and see what it does as far as lumens and light in the garage. Let's see if there's a difference. As you can see, I do have some lights that are up here. I got the single light bulb, which is where I'm going to place that. Then I got the work light over my workbench. I am going to turn these lights off up here and then turn that one off over my workbench, and we'll just measure what the light is based on just this one LED light bulb. Now this is what the light meter is saying I have directly underneath the light bulb, the one light bulb that I have on right now. And let's go over by the garage door here and see what the light says. And over here, over by the garage door, we have 12, 15 lumens roughly. And then back over in the back part of the garage, where it's really dark, we have 6. So not a lot of light over here. Back over here against my tools, we have 15. So we'll go ahead and put this light bulb in, take this other one out and put the other one in, and we'll measure what the lumens are in these spaces to see how much more light this Tanbaby will give us. Maybe we'll be pleasantly surprised. I'm going to pan around, and we're going to check out what the light is like right here, basically underneath the light bulb, before I install the Tanbaby. So this is pretty much how the garage is lit up with this one, I think 60 watt equivalent LED light bulb. Not really a lot of light in here, folks. So let's see what this actually does. Well, this is the light. You just pull it out of the box, and then you can adjust these however you want them. And I'm going to go ahead and have them adjusted, I think, like so. So they're facing downward a little bit because I want a little more light going out. So that's the angle I think I'm going to like them at. One thing about the box is it does give you a little USB plug-in bonus light. That's pretty cool. So you can twist that thing around and plug it into your laptop or any other USB device, and have a little LED light there too. So that's pretty slick. But this is it. Not much to it. You just screw it in like a regular light bulb. So let's go ahead and screw it in and check out our light. These LED light bulbs can get quite warm. Holy cow, folks. Pretty bright lights. Pretty bright lights. I think I like that. Definitely like it. That's bright. That is bright. Let's check out the lumens. Well, folks, that's what you get. Holy cow, what a big difference. That light is just super bright. Let's go over here and see what it says. Remember the doorway? Look at the amount of light here at the doorway. And then, let's go over here by the garage wall. Remember, I was over here. Look at the light we got over here. Just on the wall. And then, back in the back part of the garage. Back here. I would say that we definitely got some more light, as you can see. I'm sort of blocking it, but big difference. Big difference. Now I'm standing here in the middle of the garage underneath the light, and you guys can see what the lighting difference is with just this light bulb. With just the Tanbaby. I could only imagine what more of them would do, because this definitely put out more light than what we had before. So you can see the difference with just this Tanbaby, the amount of light that I get out of it. Well, folks, that pretty much wraps that up. Holy cow, this Tanbaby definitely made a big improvement as far as the lighting and everything, as you can see. Holy wow. Anyway, definitely well worth the money if it lasts. They say it's got a 2-year warranty on it, so I guess I will see how long it lasts. But hey, it's got my thumbs up. Now, this thing's sweet, and it does put out a lot of light. So, yeah, if you're thinking about it, hey, it works. And imagine if you have a lot more light bulb sockets to use, basements, every place else, you are going to have a lot of light based off of what I'm seeing right now. So remember, like, subscribe, join MACT Garage, and also make sure you hit the Facebook group up and watch these videos on the YouTube channel. Also, Band of One's always got some great music. Mercy Grill's got a couple one-liners, and my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Now let's see what it did.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.
That's what it did. Now I gotta see how I can get these back into shape. They might not go back into shape. So let me see what I gotta do. But that's what happens when you wash them. They turn into circles. Let me see if I can't put them back together. Hold on a second. It's just a matter of straightening them back out. Getting the pleats back into shape. Got one done. Just sort of straighten them them out by pulling them. And the pleats go back